Overlanding. It's freedom. It's adventure. It's peace. But overlanding...
You keep using that word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
...is widely misunderstood. Some think it's off-roading and use the words interchangeably. Overlanding is not off-roading, though being off pavement is certainly part of it. Some say it's just camping. And while camping is part of overlanding, well, sometimes hotels and Airbnbs are too.
Let's see what we got. Oh, wow.
Overlanding actually has a definition. Overland Journal defines it as self-reliant, vehicle-supported adventure travel to remote destinations where the journey is the principal goal, often lasting for extended periods of time. Some like to gatekeep by including spanning international borders into the definition, but those that do discount just how large and culturally diverse the U.S. really is. The U.S. is basically the same size as all of Europe, and Texas alone is bigger than most other countries. The key aspects to overlanding are, number one, self-reliance. You have to be able to handle whatever the journey throws at you.
There's no way. I will roll. That is way too high. Scooting around this rock very slowly. Yeah, not climbing, scooting. What? No?
No, there's that big hole.
Oh.
Can you back it up and turn passenger? No. Turn passenger as you're backing up. All right, now turn driver.
I'm scooting on my rock rail.
Hard
As hard as I can go. Oh my gosh!
2. It's vehicle-based. It can be a truck, an SUV, a motorcycle, a van, or any kind of vehicle. Maybe even a Toyota if the trails are easy. But the vehicle being equipped for self-reliance is key. The vehicle of choice is your partner in your adventure. And 3, it's about being remote and getting away from the crowds. This is where the confusion that it's just off-roading and camping come in. Some of the most beautiful places can't be seen from pavement. For me, overlanding has lit a fire to explore more, see more, experience more, adventure more. I'm not happy sitting at home. I'm not happy living the normal life. I want to die with memories, not dreams. Let's go.